Hey everybody, before you watch this video, the vlog, I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who wished me a happy birthday. It was a lot of people who reached out on Facebook, on Instagram, and through text, and I know I didn't respond to every single one of them, so I just wanted to say thank you very much. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy the video. It's kind of all over the place. It's just kind of like a quick little, it's kind of a recap of my birthday, and I just want you guys to enjoy it and just be part of what happened. So thanks everybody who wished me happy birthday. I appreciate it. Enjoyed the video. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today is a special day. Today is my birthday, the day I entered this earth and came here to do whatever I came to do. But yeah, my plans for my birthday have changed a lot because this whole COVID situation, so it's kind of limited my travel and what I plan to do today. If COVID didn't exist, my plans for today would have been, Deja and I would have been in Japan, probably volunteering at the Olympics. It would have been the 2020 Olympics, but because of COVID, you know, obviously it's pushed to next year. So now my goals are to be there next year for the Olympics. But things have changed. So today I'm just making the most of it. Just gonna hang with some friends, get some food, and see what I make of the day, because since plans have changed. But I'm grateful to have been in these times, and I'm grateful to have turned 25 today, and I'm just gonna make a great day out of it. So my first stop is Cinnabon, but I'm not sure if this is still Cinnabon anymore. Like, yeah, I'm not sure if this is still Cinnabon.
Would you like to try hot press Cinnabon today?
Actually, yeah. Can I get the classic Cinnabon?
How many?
Just one.
One classic Cinnabon?
Yes, sir.
What else would you like today?
That's it.
423, please drive down.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. 423.
Ooh.
Happy birthday! Give me hugs.
Put this in
Oh wait,
the
that's
middle.
gonna be in the shit not.
Ooh. Hey, there you go.
Hey guys!
Alright, so we just finished at Slutty Vegan. Line was short. Got some good food, good drinks.
Look at their fries.
Shit looks extra slutty.
It's a local slut. That was so funny. When you enter, she asks where you're from, and we're like, we're from. And she's like, it's a local virgin slut in here. Oh, she already started. Oh, okay.
So good.
It's good? Alright. We got napkins here.
So freaking good.
It's good. It's worth it. We didn't even wait in line. We like, what was it? 10 minutes? Okay.
Can y'all see me? So good.
I'm about to take a bite too.
Alright, let me go ahead and get this bite in.
Oh, that chicken's actually like, okay.
Sorry guys.
Okay.
Fire.
Where's the napkins?
Here, try some of the chicken head.
There's napkins in there. Even the bacon.
Oh, I didn't even try the
Even
bacon.
the bacon is well seasoned.
So bacon, vegan cheese. I didn't know vegan cheese was this good.
Right, that's what I was worried about with the vegan cheese.
Yeah. Try the bacon.
Me too.
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna taste all weird.
Yeah, almonds and stuff like
This
that.
is the bacon.
Yeah. Soy. 10 out of 10, y'all. 10 out of 10 for me.
Oh, they put these spice on this too.
It tastes like maple, the bacon.
So good.
You still want to share it?
Hell yeah, I want to share.
Go back and get another one. Okay. I don't want to try it. I'm happy with what I have. Okay, so we just left Richard's house and we got electric bikes. He has more of a scooter and we're just riding along the belt line. That's what I think.
So far, I'm having an awesome birthday. Best people you can hang out with. I won a bunch of times in Uno. I had some good food. Yeah, I had some good food, and it's just, so far it's great. Right now we're riding bikes on the belt line. It's raining a little bit, so we're just taking a little break and just chilling out for a little bit before headed back to Richard's house.
I feel great. I like electric bikes. I want one. Richard said I can have this one.
Is that true?
Who's Richard? Who's Richard?
This right here, this sir right here.
My name is
This
Robert,
guy.
and I am your tour guide for today. I'm going to take you around the West End, the historic West End. And there's a lot happening here, a lot of gentrification. And but we're going to have some good times. We're going to go around, take the trails, and see what's the neighborhood has to offer. So I hope that you guys really enjoy.
Whoa, it's getting pretty intense now.
Oh, it is intense.
Yeah.
We got a little bit of rain, but hey,
Okay.
that's the summer here in Atlanta. You never know what to expect.
We just got back and it got really bad. We barely made it out of this. Like, it started right when we got here, but tell them about what we just did, Richard.
Yeah, so I just took them, my friends, the birthday boy, AJ, Austin, if you will. Just took you guys on the Beltline on my side of town, the West End, the best end, and man, yeah, just e-vehicles, you know, it's the future.